Hello, good night. Miss Sandra?
Yes?
Miss Sandra, this, make you can me get to liquor then, please?
No, I'm not there for liquor then, who is it?
Miss Sandra, Rochelle, this, you hear me?
Yeah,
Liquor then block me number and borrow me 200,000 and block me number.
Who?
Liquor then block me number and borrow me 200,000 and block me number.
Borrow you 200.
200,000. 225,000.
When that?
After last month in borrowing him to start paying me back and all now as soon October. And after September.
How you get? Hi. How you get this number?
Mommy get your number because him say you and him a borrow it. Him give me all your number, him say you and him a borrow it.
Me?
Yeah, you are him mother.
What the hell is this about that? What you say your name?
This is Rochelle.
From where?
You ask me from where?
So me not ask you where you come from, Rochelle.
And a poor us you come from.
Who come from Forest?
And a poor us have sent to come on, Miss Sandra, man.
I want one as a man.
If 200,000 when you and your son borrow, please, miss. Me no want to.
Miss lady, me here me bed in a house at night in a pillar.
Mom, me there in a house at night and me can't sleep and you sleep with my money. How you go? You sleep with my money?
Hi. Please don't mix me, please. Do not mix me.
Son, a little then a year, son.
Yes, we know the good end my son, but I thought me and know that.
But the money when him say you and him a borrow it. Him say you and him.
How would the hell are going?
Yeah.
No, let me tell you something. I just thought me and know them or something that's when they have to only use a wag and I thought me and know them or something.
I Rochelle this, right? I Rochelle this. And me lend him 200,000, me partner money, you know, me just get my money, you know, and him call me and tell me say, him mother, I go want her money because him mother have something to deal with, some house business and something.
Mother?
Yes. Miss Sandra.
How would you help this family in the night, man?
Yes, Miss Sandra.
Let me tell you something. Me don't know you and me don't know one. Anybody, you want if you are looking in something, you call it.
And me, you want liquor then in this, you know. Me, you want liquor then.
Eh? What is it, mate?
And me, you want liquor then in this, you know.
Hey, don't do that.
I mean, I want to go to the station because I have links out. Me have links at the station, you know. I see once I go there, so I straight lock up. Them even hear what I say because I'm foolish instead of Miss Sandra.
Please, hey. Listen, let me tell you something. Right now,
Yes, stammer and I go on, but you ain't a stammer when you take my money.
Oh, you get this number.
Him give me the number, him assure me say, him and him and him.
Give you my number and me a little that people in same place.
Me don't know that. Me don't know right now, me don't know if I lie you tell me, Miss Sandra.
Hey, man, me say something, I got me church and we don't want somebody to drag me out.
You got your church and I want, before you thief my money, should I know say you got church and you thief?
I will talk. Hey, let me say something.
What you say?
Now make sure get to liquid. I told me not a credit from the phone now.
Listen to me now, lady. Oh, you got church and you thief. That means say you will thief out an offering pan them.
Hello, let me tell you something.
You's a thief, Miss Sandra.
Hey, don't do that.
I mean, I want that church go tell the people them, you know.
Kerala, you're the one that comes out. You're with that woman now. You're with that woman now.
Are you me a call to talk to you?
You're a chat about liquid then can me.
Oh, you have a cuss.
Hello?
Hello. Girl, give back your mother phone. Give back your mother phone. Give back the lady the phone.
I don't know where she come from. Me don't know where she come from.
Miss Sandra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me tell us the money 225,000.
I said, oh, but you don't give a shot out to you. Yeah, you right. Listen, hello.
Yes.
Miss, you called me, so I don't even know how to get my number. I will listen to the phone.
A little then give me number. If you look at then give me number, I could have get it. A little then give me number and say you and him need the money if you do something, right? Me just get my partner draw me 400,000, me lend him 225 out of it. So you could have get it. So you
You didn't sitting here? What kind of problem you couldn't put a coming in?
That's all I him did I tell.
What do you mean about that? You couldn't tell?
Say my wicked but I say him stay.
What you say?
I say him stay.
Miss,
Lord God, I'm a false mess them as me.
I know them are something you know, me blood pressure. I'm going to tell me, say, well, you couldn't really call me name and put me now. What kind of problem you couldn't call me name? Lord, and the woman that talk to me now, we over me and know about. I tell you about police and I force me and know them. You somebody call your phone and I mix up me and talk me and know about. Look at that.
Oh my God. Oh my, what a wicked boy. Oh my. Yeah, but if me carry a guy police and just straight lock up, then now go here where you are. That means a good thing I call you before I come with the police, Miss Sandra.
Something, you understand? I know, you see that? I do the side of me to hear what one. I will say that problem because they put me now. What kind of problem because they put me now? I'm not going to know people phone and make people call my phone now.
Me if you tell her, me no if you tell the girl with the beside her, she send a number. She send a number.
I know this media coming out.
The girl with the she send a number. She say a fear mother.
Me cannot believe this.
Yeah, I can't hear something on me. I just want you there one day enough. Never dead enough, me come to you know.
Eh? What you say? Somebody dead in your family?
Yeah, we just have.
They no eating tell me say borrow money for free, but your sister you not like me. I telling me Sandra, why you do this, Sandra man?
That's father, miss.
So I take you by your casket.
Listen to me, miss. When
Listen
you
to
are
me.
bring your hand, miss. You are calling me after something and I tell you that me know nothing about that. I know you still tell me something I hate.
So now money you take and buy the casket.
Listen.
The money with 200,000 you take and put it on package.
Put it up. I want it to money. What you mean? Or you can't choose somebody or something with somebody we don't know about. And you talk to me, you ask me, we don't know about. Don't do that thing, you don't know nothing about me. Look at this man, look at you, but you don't know nothing about me, because he's not that type of person. So
Patrick, you say, Patrick, see a lady there on the phone, and I know me, no me lend her money and the boy say, he might go put it on package, somebody in her family, they understand. See a woman, you know, mother, you know.
What she say?
So she are up on the phone.
Hello, good night.
Yeah.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yes, what is going on with 225,000?
No, but we turn on something, man. I don't know nothing what that about.
So, now you want little then borrow money?
Who?
You want little then borrow money?
Hi.
Hello, hi, bye.
Don't do that. Did I come to you about money? Did I come to you?
Listen to me now, little then come to me and my sister that I girl where you just talk to, you know, say you need a money to put on funeral package or something like that.
What am I talking about? Which funeral something?
What you are talking about?
What am I talking about? What do you think you are talking about?
But I wish you are talking about.
Lord Jesus. I want to talk about. I want to speak out in there. What do you think you are talking about? What do you think you are talking about?
Miss.
What do you think you are talking about? What's funeral system? There's somebody that with me. There's been never
Your sister, you're a liar. No, you just say you have somebody dead with you.
Hi, I never said that. Do not tell no lie for me.
No, you say...
Somebody could... Hey, what tell us about? We're going to find the good and don't come back there.
Listen.
Come here, no one.
Oh, no, you're with a woman. Hey, what a woman lie. Oh, no, you're with a woman says somebody dead in her family. What a woman lie. Hello. So, no, you say you have somebody dead with you. But are you a little then borrow the money, lady? I hear me try to tell you.
Alright, listen to me. This is about people and over talk to people. How much money?
You really cool wicked girl in there, but you could get you if you wanna dead, hold on.
Then I know me, I can't do what you know me. Someone not can look at mother.
What a wicked little pit in the back, girl. A wicked get with a charge.
Let me come to your sister face to face. I come to you. Anyone I want to come to me.
But look at that Russian come talk back to her, because you see woman I get faced with me like she a piss bed. She ring on the phone, you know. See her, man.
Hello. Little then borrow the money and say I told you. Right? Miss Sandra.
Do not call me name. Do not call me name. I never say me come from and because when I come like him you know holding hand into the bed. You go say you're near Russia. Mr. Russia sounds weird. If you couldn't borrow money from you. Russia sounds weird.
Poor us.
Russia sounds poor. Alright, you come from poor. And you can say you couldn't come to you come back. Me never come to you come back.
But little then said, right? Him say, I too want to need the money for some funeral business, somebody did it.
Stop that. Come here, have nobody dead in our family.
So you just say, what a woman lie, man.
To me, do not tell
you know, say me go come with my police friend.
What is that?
Me go come with my police friend, you know.
Alright. Listen to me. Let me tell you something. One to the police and bring the police come. End that story. They don't talk. I never got them myself. I just like a man not go to that station.
Yeah, go there.
No, Chiego, go there for me. No. Girl, tell your mother, you know.